Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common kitchen confusion. Are you sometimes scratching your head trying to tell the difference between fennel and fenugreek? You are definitely not alone. These two spices sound a bit alike and are both popular in various cuisines, but they are quite distinct. In just the next few minutes, we're going to clear up that confusion for good. Let's dive in and explore what makes each of these powerful plants unique. Get ready to become a spice expert. First up, let's talk about fennel. This is a plant that's part of the carrot family, believe it or not. You might see it fresh with its bulb and feathery green leaves. Fennel seeds are what we often use as a spice. They are typically greenish or yellowish brown and have a distinctive shape. Think of them as slightly elongated and curved. The flavor of fennel is its most defining characteristic. It has a sweet, aromatic taste that many describe as similar to licorice or anise. It's quite refreshing. In the kitchen, fennel is incredibly versatile. The bulb, stalks, and leaves can be used in salads or cooked dishes. The seeds are popular in bread, sausages, and especially in Italian and Indian cooking. Beyond its culinary uses, fennel is well regarded for its health benefits. It's traditionally used to aid digestion and help soothe issues like bloating and gas. It can also act as a breath freshener. Now let's switch gears and look at fenugreek. This plant belongs to the pea family, making it a legume. It's very different from fennel botanically. Fenugreek is primarily known for its seeds, though its leaves are also used as an herb or vegetable in some cuisines. The seeds are small, hard, and have a unique shape, almost like tiny pebbles with a groove. The color of fenugreek seeds is usually a dull yellow or golden brown. Their taste is quite different from fennel. They are known for being somewhat bitter and having a strong, pungent aroma. When roasted, their flavor can become slightly nutty and less bitter. Fenugreek seeds are a staple in many spice blends, particularly in Indian, Middle Eastern, and North African cooking. They are a key ingredient in curries, pickles, and spice mixes like panchphoron. The leaves, known as methi, are used in dishes like curries and flatbreads. From a health perspective, fenugreek is highly valued. It's most famous for its potential to help manage blood sugar levels. It's also commonly used to support lactation in nursing mothers and may help with digestion and appetite. So, let's quickly recap the main distinctions. Visually, the seeds are your first clue. Fennel seeds are larger, greener, and more elongated. Fenugreek seeds are smaller, harder, and yellowish-brown with a distinct groove. Taste is another major difference. Fennel is sweet and has that licorice-like note. Fenugreek is known for its bitterness and strong, unique aroma. Their primary health associations also differ. While both offer digestive support, fennel is often highlighted for bloating and gas, whereas fenugreek is widely recognized for blood sugar balance and lactation support. Think of fennel as the sweet, aromatic digestive aid often found after meals in Indian restaurants. Think of fenugreek as the slightly bitter, potent seed, crucial for many savory curry bases and traditional health remedies. Hopefully that clears up the confusion between these two wonderful spices. They both have incredible flavors and impressive health benefits, but they are distinct plants with different characteristics. Knowing the difference helps you use them correctly in cooking and understand their unique properties. Please remember that while these spices have traditional uses and potential health benefits, this information is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant or nursing. If you found this comparison helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends who might also get these two mixed up. And if you want more simple breakdowns of health topics and ingredients, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.